Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, while talking at the inauguration of the Government at Your Doorstep program at RBANMS High School ground, said that the government would amend laws to allow more time for payment of property tax and penalties. Government at Your Doorstep is a part of the public redressal hearing program launched by the government. During the previous inauguration at Yehlanka and KR Puram, several citizens complained and appealed for more time for payment of property tax and penalties. Shivakumar mentioned that numerous initiatives are underway to simplify property tax payment processes, with the government planning to revise rules in consultation with officials. There is a consideration for extending deadlines for penalty payments, especially for those facing high penalties due to commercial properties in residential zones. However, Shivakumar also emphasized the importance of prompt tax payment and expressed a commitment to streamlining the process. The citizens also complained about civic issues like potholes, lack of good roads, and failure to receive the benefits of the government guarantees, among others. Subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.